Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about Fleabag Season 3. Ever since Season 2 ended, viewers have been looking forward to the Fleabag Season 3 release date. The hit comedy series follows the titular character as she navigates through life and love in London while trying to cope with tragedy. Her dry-witted personality and lack of filter often create more problems for her. On top of that, she ends up rejecting the people who try to help her in this healing process. But is she returning for a third season? Is there a Fleabag Season 3 release date? There is no Fleabag Season 3 release date as Phoebe Waller-Bridge moved on to other projects. Despite the high critical acclaim, Fleabag creator Phoebe Waller-Bridge decided not to bring back the show for its third season. It was not officially cancelled, but it's simply not happening. The fourth wall breaking was a big part of the series, and the writer or actor claimed that she could not find a new angle to continue with it. Hence, we can be sure that the story of Fleabag is done after 2 seasons, with its lead now focusing on other projects. She starred in 2023's Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny and is set to appear in John Krasinski's Imaginary Friends. Besides that, she is also developing other projects for Amazon, so fans of Phoebe Waller-Bridge's work should look forward to what she has to offer next. Is Fleabag Season 3 coming out soon? No, Fleabag Season 3 is not confirmed to release anytime soon. Beside Phoebe Waller-Bridge as Fleabag, the series starred Brett Gelman, Olivia Colman, Hugh Dennis, Bill Patterson, Jamie Demetriou, Hugh Skinner, Jenny Rainsford, and Sian Clifford. Why Fleabag is not returning for a third season? Ridiculously talented Fleabag creator Phoebe Waller-Bridge was recently snapped up by Amazon, signing a deal to create new television content that will premiere exclusively on Amazon Prime Video. Will that new content include another season of Fleabag? Sadly, no. Waller-Bridge is definitely done with the character, Season 2 concluding with a bittersweet finale. But Waller-Bridge's reason for leaving the character behind are fairly interesting and creatively sincere. She does not have a new angle for the fourth wall breaks. Well, that is it for today. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.